everyone, Daniel Kerr here. I want to talk a little bit about performance options on the ESX and something that I don't think has been very covered as far as like videos online go, all right? First, before you get started, go and send me an email at snowmetaluniversity@gmail.com and ask for the pattern and sample pack that I'm going to be using today, and I'll give it to you for free. Anyway, like and subscribe and all that jazz, okay? So let's take a look at the ESX. All right, here's a few things. A lot of people don't know this, but if you have a pattern, let's say in 20, I have a pattern. I don't have anything in there yet. I'm going to build one right now. But as you're performing a pattern without stopping the sequencer, if you mangle it or even change the samples that are used in each one of the parts, you can hit Shift and Pattern and it will go back. It'll start blinking here and it'll go back to its original state, okay? And then if you hit it again, it'll go back to its augmented state, all right? And then you can do it again and again. You can even go back to its original state, right? And have it playing just as you saved it. And then you can mangle it all up again, and then you can hit it again and it'll go back to its previous mangled state. Okay, let me explain what I'm talking about here. I've got some samples here inside of the unit, okay? I've got bass 1 and bass 2, okay? And let's see, I'm going to turn the pitch up so you can hear these longer. What they are basically is just notes of synthesizer notes that I made in my DAW, and I rendered them out as one long sample. And then what I usually do is I slice them up, as many of you have seen in previous videos, and then I use them in my parts, right? But this is what the sample sounds like in bass 1. Listen. Bass 2 is similar. A bunch of Reeses. Some good FM and so on and so forth. So now in 820, I'm just going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, okay? In keyboard part 1, we'll go to bass 1, and I'll select slice number 9, okay? Some metronome. Sorry for the camera bouncing around, but I'm going to demonstrate in a second this after I explain it. Okay, so as it is right now, let's save this to 20. Okay. Now, if I add some effects to this, and mess with the filters, and reverse it, and add modulation. Does that sound like its original state? No. But what I can do is hit Shift and Pattern, and it goes back to its original state. And then if I hit Pattern again, it mangles it again. Right? Now, let's go back to original. Okay? Here's also what you can do. If you mangle it, and then go back to its original state, you can mangle it again. You can change everything about it. And then hit this. And it will go back to its previously mangled state, and then you can hit Shift and Pattern again, and it'll go back to its original state. So you can do this over and over and over and over. This is a fantastic way to squeeze a ton of life out of your patterns, okay? Now, here's another possibility, okay? If we go here, and it's playing, even while it's playing, I can go to Part Edit, and I can change the slice number, or even change the sample itself. But if I hit Shift Pattern, it snaps back to its original state. Okay? So what I've been doing, and what I'm going to demonstrate in the patterns, is if I go its original bass 1, slice 9, I'll go down to all slices so that basically you're hearing it goes through all the slices, right? entire sample, right? What I'm going to do, let me get another pattern going. Okay, that's a terrible pattern. However, if I turn this envelope down and choose different pieces or different areas in the start point, I can modulate that start point. In fact, I can record modulation. And it's almost like a wavetable synth. I'm scrubbing through the wavetable by hand. There's no modulation of the start points on the ESX, sadly. Okay? So if I save this, I can now change everything, go back to its original state, go back to its... Change it again, go back to its original state, go back to its original state, and change some things. And go back to its augmented state, and go back to its original state again. Anyway, that's an amazing way of working, okay? You can get a lot of stuff out of this, right? Once again, like and subscribe. I'm going to play some music for you in just a moment, and you can get this whole pack of patterns and samples by sending me an email at snowmetaluniversity@gmail.com. Both, you'll be able to find the link in the description. To find a bunch of resources that I have available for the Korg ESX and other hardware and software, you can go to ghostwrittenclips.com, and I'll leave that link in the description as well. Summer's almost over. Snowboarding time is almost upon us. I don't know how much music I'll be doing then. I love you guys. Have a good year.